Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your WhatsApp app. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to this is window here like you say, and we will go down here to looking so we will just go down here to looking for apps here. We will click here on apps, then we come to apps window here like you say, and we will just go down here to looking for WhatsApp app here, and this is window like you say. We'll just go down here to find WhatsApp and we will click here on WhatsApp. Then we come here to this is window here like you say. We will click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage. Then we come to storage window here like you say. You will just click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.